Alright, got a new product. Mitsubishi Outlander I'm going to install. Oh, it's from Auxito. I purchased them, it's not a paid promotion. Comes with nice gloves. Awesome. Manual. Cool. And the headlight kit. So these are just the high beams. These are my HP3s. I think they're 9005. Yep, correct. And yeah. What I'll do is they're pretty easy to install. You don't really need a video to show you how to install them. It gives you the instructions that are pretty simple as well, by the looks of it. So this has been my instructions. Simple, plug and play. And I'll send you a video at night and show you. See how we go. Cool. Okay guys, this is my normal headlights. They're just normal halogens. You ready for the high beam test? 3, 2, fucking whackers. I tell you what, in the camera, it looks way different than it does like here in real life. Like it looks way brighter. I like them, they're fucking fantastic, especially for the price. Anyway, cheers. Have a good one.